Hi guys, it's great to see you. Thank you so much for being here. This is a really easy beginner version of Believer by Imagine Dragons. We're only going to use 3 chords. We've got our capo on fret number 1, so put that on now if you have a chance to. And we're just going to get started. So let me show you how it's going to sound kind of, by the end of the lesson, and then we'll work on it together. So we start with an A minor chord, and it goes like this. It goes, first things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Ooh, the way that things have been. Ooh, ooh. Second thing second, don't you tell me what you think that I could be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Ooh, the master of my sea. Whoa, whoa. Okay, very simple chords first of all, but also strumming patterns. So let's get started. We start with an A minor chord, 0, 2, 2, 1, and then 0. This is our standard kind of A minor open chord, right? The next chord goes to an F, and this is our F major bar chord. So it goes 1, 3, 3, 2, and then 1, and then 1. The next chord is E major, and again, this is our open E major shape, which is our open chord shape. And if you notice, E major and A minor, very similar, apart from we've just moved them across the string set, right? And we're strumming from the E string on this one. Cool. So those are the chords we're going to use, and it's the same entirely the way through the song. What I would say is, let's talk about the timing. So we'll play the first chord, A minor, for 4 beats. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it goes to F major, 2, and then E, 4. So we got 2 beats on the F major, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 beats on the E as well. So let me play it. I'll tell you what I'll do is I'll count it for you. Ready? So it starts in the A minor. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. And you heard me earlier tapping on the guitar. 4. 1, 2, 3. This was just so I could keep time for you at home. Okay, and this is really the whole song. So kind of goes from the very start. So we got first things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Ooh, the way that things have been. Second thing second, don't you tell me what you think that I could be. I'm the one at the set. What I suggest you do to practice this one, go to YouTube, go to Spotify, put on the song and play along. Okay, it's a really nice one. It's got the drums to count you in at the start, so you know exactly where you're going to start. And then remember what I said, it's the same thing the whole way through. And it's a brilliant one to practice those chord changes. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little lesson on Believer by Imagine Dragons. And if you have any more ideas for some songs that you'd like to learn, please drop them in the comments. But for now, what we'll do is we'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you very soon.